Alright everybody, welcome back to Barbells and Burnouts. I'm here at Cliff's house with this guy. This guy.
Whoa.
Oh, he was definitely on the phone, my bad, Cam. And there's Cliff over there. We got some fun stuff going on today, alright? So we are doing 3 things at once, okay? So first thing we're going to do is we are going to change out the pads here on my S2K. So I've been driving the car really hard. Let me come back and light for y'all to see me. I've been driving the car really hard. So obviously, naturally, my pads are gonna go. So we're doing the rear pads today. Then I've been having a really bad leak from my VTEC solenoid gasket. So we're gonna be replacing the VTEC solenoid gasket. And then finally, I have a gift from Cliff, because Cliff is like Santa Claus for me, and he just has beautiful presents for me. And I am putting a oil cooler on the S.
Get this shit out of my garage.
That's a beautiful thing. He has all the stuff for his beautiful S, and he doesn't need them. So, well, shoot, he don't need them. We throw them on my car, you know. So I'm gonna put the oil cooler on my car as well. So she should be running much better. Fingers crossed by the time we leave here. All right. So let's get into it. Oh man, golly, I was killing them.
Yeah.
Well, they did their job. All right, guys. So we're kind of running into a little bit of a problem. My brake system. I have not done the brakes since I got the car, unfortunately. So we're currently trying to.
This nigga does not know what regular maintenance is.
Unfortunately, I haven't been taking care of the car where I should. So we're trying to fix an issue with the caliper pushing it in. I'm doing the pads on the rears, and then like in a month or so, I'm going to do the front pads. So we're trying to get the driver's side rear piston in. We're having issues going in, but luckily enough, we're bleeding the system anyways and changing the fluid, because my fluid is, I don't know if y'all can see.
Top right drawer.
My fluid is black. Well, there's no fluid in there. Well, less fluid in there now. But we're doing
top right, but I got you.
This guy. We're doing the fluid anyway. So we're draining the fluid, trying to pump it in, but the piston has not been going in.
Yeah, you're right.
So now we're trying to figure out how it gets done. It's just fun stuff right now. Fingers crossed that everything works. All right. So we did have to run to Summit to get the kit for the piston compression, but Cliff has the attitude adjuster out, and he's got the brake caliper almost on there. As you know, everything with my car is always something, but you know, I love her to death anyways. I can't speak terribly about her while she listens, you know what I'm saying?
She gonna love you until you die.
Yeah, she better. But so we're almost done with this. I don't know why it took us forever, but you know, foolishness happens, right? So after this, we're about to go put on the gasket for the VTEC solenoid, and we should be good to go. All right, everybody. So Kalen said he's not doing no more work. He said he did.
Wait, first of all, I fixed the radio already, and that was what was on my list.
That was very important. That wasn't.
I'm about to quit too.
That was it. Cliff about to quit. I'm about to be shit out of luck. So that right rear caliper, it is locked up right now. So we hit it with some PP blaster to see if we can get it to loosen up. We're about to change the VTEC solenoid. Solenoid gasket is what we're gonna do right now. And I'm gonna see if I can implore Cliff to help me install this oil cooler right now. Fingers crossed. Alright, so anyways, Kalen opened it, freed it up, but I'm gonna sit here and pull it the way I'm not supposed to. Said not to mess up the plastic. And kabow! So the boys think it was leaking from right there on that corner right there.
Yeah, wherever that bubble's at.
Yeah, that looks like it. So we have the separate ones right there. They said there was a top one and there's a bottom one.
Yeah.
So with the
top one comes out of here.
I want to change that as well because I have both of them.
Yeah.
So yeah, guess we're gonna change them both. Fun stuff. All right, guys. So we swapped out. Get out the way, man. Get out.
There ain't nobody gonna watch this damn video.
You're right. That's the sad part. It's gonna be like 2 views. Like it and share it so we make Kalen a liar, right? So anyways, I 99.9% did all of the VTEC solenoid gasket changed. Ken like picked it out and then he went back and was like, oh, you forgot to put this top bolt in properly. So we did that. Now we're
you just gotta double check all his work.
Yeah.
You know, you just gotta.
I'm the pro bolt stripper and the pro arcer, you know what I'm saying? Always arcing. But ooh, that's another shirt right there. Always arcing. There we go.
That's not a good thing.
Nah. Yeah. So we're about to add more fluid.
Archangel.
Yeah. Oh, the Archangel's tough. The Archangel is tough. Oh, don't steal my ideas. All right. So we're about to add more brake fluid, flush it out because my brake fluid is black, which is terrible. But thank God we're fixing this, right? So stay tuned. All right, everybody. Shout out to Kaylin and Cliff for working into, it's not the wee hours, but it's late at night. I had them here working on my beautiful, beautiful child of a car. Really, really late. We were able to get the VTEC solenoid done as well as bleed my brakes, clean out my brake fluid, and change the rear brakes. For some reason, it took way longer than we thought it would. But that's the beauty of having a car. You know, things happen. Make sure you guys check back for new content coming up. We have some things planned. I have autocross going on the September 19th. And Kalen said he's coming out to drive with us, so that's gonna be a fun experience. I'm trying to convince Cliff to come, but you know, life happens. So, like I said, we got big things going on. Check back with us. Make sure you share, like, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later, all right? Peace out.